A compressor reduces the dynamic range of a signal, smoothing out overall dynamics by applying attenuation, gain reduction, whenever the signal exceeds a user-determined threshold level. When the signal crosses the threshold, gain reduction is applied based on the ratio setting, and attack and release controls affect the speed at which the transition into and out of gain reduction is made. But even with all these controls, sometimes the onset of compression can be a bit sudden, especially when gain reduction begins exactly at the threshold level. Many vintage compressors have a slightly different behavior in this regard, and modern compressors often offer this behavior as an option as well. In a basic compressor design, gain reduction begins exactly at the threshold level. This is called a hard knee response, due to its appearance on a standard transfer curve graph of compressor input and output. But some vintage compressors, due to their particular circuitry, instead have a soft knee characteristic. Gain reduction begins at a slightly lower level than threshold, but also at a slightly lower ratio than set. The gain reduction and the ratio increases as the signal reaches and exceeds threshold, reaching the set ratio a little above threshold. With this behavior, the onset of gain reduction is subtly more gradual as the signal approaches and exceeds threshold, and this can make for a smoother sounding compression characteristic, allowing a lot of gain reduction to be applied without the signal really sounding compressed.